In today's video, I am going to show you how to quickly make a flowchart in Excel using SmartArt. SmartArt gives you pre-made layouts, so you can visually map out processes, workflows, or decision paths without drawing shapes manually. Step 1. Open the SmartArt menu. To get started, click on the Insert tab at the top of your Excel window. Look across the menu ribbon for the Illustrations group and click on the SmartArt button. This will open a window filled with ready-made diagram templates. Step 2. Choose your flowchart layout. Inside the SmartArt window, look at the left sidebar for your layout options. Click Process if you want a standard sequential flowchart that moves from step to step. Click Hierarchy if you are building an organizational structure or a top-down decision tree. Once you find a design you like, double-click it to insert it into your sheet. Step 3. Customize your chart text. Now, simply click on any placeholder text inside the shapes and type out your workflow steps. Keep your wording short and clear so the chart stays clean and easy for your audience to read. And that is all there is to it. Excel automatically sizes the text and handles the layout while you type. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more easy Excel tips.